Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'll be doing a more in-depth tutorial on how I do charms. This is how I do it, not when anyone else does. So I thought I'll show you the way I'm doing it. So I'm using these long almond soft gel tips. If you hear the squeaking in the back, it's me chair. I am planning on getting a new one. So this is the thumb. I've already prepped it. I've put just a white colour on. I've done a base gel so the gel can stick to the nail, and I've done a white, just one coat, cured, and then I did another coat and then cured. So all of this is really dry under the UV lamp. So I'll be back when I brought yours in. The zoomed up version. And for the thumb, I've got me little charms in this little thing, in this lid that I found from me wipes. I've just took the lid off because I don't have a charm lid, so this is what I'm using. So I've picked out all these charms I'm going to use, and I'm going to be using this wax pencil. So you can sharpen this to be a pencil like this one is, but I've sharpened it and I've just flattened it so it's nice and flat, so it's easier to pick up the bigger charms like this, like these. So it's easier to pick up because you're not supposed to pick up with your fingers. So this is the sealant I use. Nothing on the back. I got this from Amazon. Well, it was gifted to me. The person who gifted it to me bought it from Amazon. And they're pretty cheap. But you don't need this. You can just use you can use the top gel to put it on. But I prefer using this because this dries super fast. This cures super fast. So, got a nail. Let's pick out the charms that I want, and I'm going to use these three right here for the thumb. So it is for the thumb. So I've got this to one side like that. So I'll just move that along, just like that. I'm going to try and stay in frame. So I've opened this up. This comes with a little tip like that, so you can aim it to put it in just like that, so it keeps this nice and fresh. I do apologise for the camera shaky. My phone that I'm using to record is attached to an arm and it's attached to my desk that I'm using. So I'm going to find out where I want to put. I'm going to put the flower down here because it's smaller. Just a nice little blob like that. And I'm going to put the butterfly up here, and I want the main focus right here on the bunny. So we've got our 3 dots. Clean that off my finger, which you're not supposed to do, but that's okay. I'm going to wipe it straight away onto my pants. So I'm going to grab the flower, little rose, I'm just going to place it right there. And then I'm going to grab the bunny. So I'll be putting the bunny right there. And I'm just going to adjust it using me thing. I do want it on an angle, just like that. And then I'm going to grab the butterfly. I'm going to put the butterfly just like that. So it looks something like that. So I'm going to put this under the curing lamp for about 60 seconds. That goes right under. 60 seconds, and this is the pointer finger. For this one, I'm going to use this charm right here. So I'll just point using me thing. So I'm going to use this one right here. Because it's bigger, I want the glue to be there and there. and I'm going to put this in the middle of the finger. So this can go right here and right there. Just roughly, maybe one in the middle. Just to make sure it's got enough glue to stand on. So again, I'm going to use this, my waxing pencil. I'm going to pick it up, and I'm just going to, it's got pretty stuck on there, and I'm just going to adjust it where I want it. So now that that's nice and adjusted, just like that. Yeah, there's a little bit here sticking out, but these are just practice nails. So I'm going to put this under the curing lamp for 60 seconds. Grab the next one. So this one's the middle finger. And for this one, I want it to be on this little angel wings one. Because again, this one's quite a big one. So put this back into frame. So I'm going to just do a nice little blob, just like that. You don't need a lot to secure it, a little goes a long way. So I'm going to put that to the one side. So again, waxing pencil, pick it up. You don't want to press too hard, and just place it on there. So I'm just going to adjust it with my finger. I know I shouldn't do that. So that's this one on. And that looks really pretty. So I'll put this under the curing lamp again for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to grab the middle finger, the ring finger. And for this one, I'm going to do this medical one here. I think it's a medical ring. You can correct me in the comments down below. So I'm going to place just a little on here again. Quite a lot, just like that, so it will stick. So I'm grabbing a pencil. I'm going to very lightly pick it up. Not too much pressure, just enough where I can just grab it. I'm going to use my fingers to let go of it. And I think I might have that on backwards. But it has fallen off, so I'll just put it back on. Don't try not to use your fingers, is what I've been told. But I think I keep putting this on backwards, so I'm going to keep trying until I get it right. So I think the problem is it didn't have a lot of glue on. So I'm going to put a little bit more on, so it's got something to stick to. Again, I'm going to try and use my wax pencil as much as possible. I'm just going to place that on. So that's it, finally on after a bit of struggle. So I'll quickly put this under the curing lamp. Try not to mess around with it too much, but try not to drop it so the thing doesn't fall off. So again, 60 seconds. Now the ring finger is going to have this lovely on. This lovely charm on. Again, the sealant. I'm just going to again put a little bit on there. I am running out of gel, so I'll need to get some more when I can. So I'll put the lid on that in a little bit. So again, pick it up, put it on there, and it slips off. So for this, until I can get some tweezers, I'm just going to pick the big pieces up with my fingers. Whatever, please don't do that. But this is the easier way for me to handle it because I do have shakiness hands. So whenever I use one of these, I tend to just shake like that badly. See, I'm not even trying, I'm still shaking. So this is going to go under for 60 seconds, and I'll be back once that one's cured, and I'll show you the full details of what it all looks like. And I'm back. So you are zoomed in as much as this phone can see. As you can see, you can clearly see my disgusting nail. So this is the thumb. So it's got the butterfly here, the bunny, and the little pink rose. And I think this is beautiful. So I'm going to put that away so you can clearly see what this looks like. And it's fully stuck on there. It's not going to move. And look at that. And this one is the pointer finger. This has got some stars, a little chain and another star. And I think I might have put this one upside down. I think this one is supposed to go at the top. But it doesn't matter whether it's upside down or not, because your finger will go that way. So you're looking at it right. And this is the middle finger, the one with the little, it's got a little boy or girl. It's got a little baby, some wings. And that's the way you're going to look at it. The other people are going to look at it that way. And this is the medical one. Please let me know if it's not the medical wrong one. I don't know what these are called, so if you could let me know in the comments down below. And no detail is lost on this. It looks beautiful. And this is the pinky finger. It's got two different colours in. Looks blue there, then it's green, then it's got a bit of yellow. And then it's got that, and it's got a little heart. I love this one. I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to show you the full set together. So this is the full set. I am really glad I can finally do a full set. And this is it. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I will answer them. If I can't answer them by typing, I will make a whole new video about it. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more. I hope you've enjoyed. Bye for now.